Hello friends, welcome to online learning session. I am Miss Yasri Kale, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Agricultural Economics, KK College of Agriculture, Nasik. In today's session, we are going to see the definition of national income and concepts of national income one by one. First one is a national income. National income is also known as national dividend, national output, national expenditure. The aggregate factor income, that is earnings of labor and property, which arises from the current production of the goods and services by the nation's economy, is called as national income. This is the definition of national income, that is the aggregate factor income which arises from the current production of goods and services by the nation's economy is called as national income. There are various concepts of national income. First one is a GDP, that is gross domestic product, GNP, that is gross national product, NNP, net national product or national income at market price. Next one is a national income or national income at factor cost. Next, PI means personal income and DI means disposable income. These are the concepts of national income. We are going to see one by gross domestic product. In short, it is called as GDP. Gross domestic product is the total value or total market value of all the final goods and services currently produced within a domestic territory of a country within a year. It measures the market value of annual output. In other words, GDP is a monetary measure. Monetary means in terms of money. In calculating GDP accurately, all goods and services produced in any given year must be counted once and not more than once. It ignores the transaction involving intermediate goods. There are three types of good, that is raw material, intermediate good and final good. In calculating GDP, we only consider the value of final good and we cannot be considered the value of raw material and intermediate good in calculating GDP. GNP, gross national product. GNP is the total money value of all the final goods and services produced within and outside the country by their citizens. In calculating GNP, we are considering the goods and services produced within and outside the country by their citizens. It is computed using the following formula: GNP is equals to GDP plus NR minus NP, where GNP is nothing but gross national product, GDP is nothing but the gross domestic product, NR net income receipt, and NP means net payment outflow to the foreign assets. This is the formula to calculate GNP, that is GDP plus NR minus NP. Third one is a net national product, or it is also called as national income at market price. Net national product is net monetary value of all final goods and services produced at the current prices in a year in a country. Here we are considering only the net money value of all final goods which is produced at current prices within a country within a year, that is called as net national product. NNP is found by using following formula: net national product, that is NNP is equals to GNP minus depreciation. GNP is nothing but gross national product. Depreciation means wear and tear losses of goods produced. Depreciation doesn't add value to the current years produced and hence it is deducted from the GNP to obtain the NNP. The next one is a National income or national income at factor cost. National income is calculated only on the basis of cost incurred to produce the goods and services. The cost is the payment made to the factors of production, which includes land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. National income at factor cost is nothing but the cost incurred in the production of any goods and services within a country within a year. NNP at factor cost is nothing but NNP means net national product at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. Then next one is a personal income. The name itself indicates that it is the sum of all the incomes actually received by all the people of the country in 1 year. That is called as personal income. Personal income is calculated by national income minus social security contributions minus corporate income taxes minus undistributed corporate profits plus transfer payments. These are the formula for to calculation of personal income. Then next one is a disposable income. Dispose means we have to spend that money on something. It is the amount of money available with an private individual to spend. It is computed by using the following formula. Disposable income is equals to personal income minus personal taxes or consumption expenditure plus savings. Thank you for your peaceful listening.